Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where I post videos about mobile earning apps, websites, cryptocurrencies, and many more to help us earn extra income. Previously, I shared about how to apply for a work-from-home job on a website called Appen. If you haven't seen it yet, you may check it up here. For today's video, I'm gonna share another mobile earning app that I've been using for quite some time now. This app is called Cointiply. Cointiply is a next-generation Bitcoin rewards platform where users earn Bitcoin by completing tasks and by simply interacting with other users. The only requirement here is a Bitcoin or a Dogecoin wallet address to send payments to. I have also posted a video on how to set up a coins.ph wallet and a faucetpay micro wallet, so please check it out. To start with Cointiply, you have to register with your email address and a strong password. You may register using the link on the description box below. Check your email because they will be sending a verification email. Just verify your email and you're ready to go. I am using their website and the mobile app to earn here, but I like to use the mobile app often because I can use it on the go. There are 4 tasks here that I've been using since I started. One is free coin spin where I get 10 coins to 100 coins per spin. I do this twice a day or every 12 hours. Second is the watch daily video task. I usually watch up to 14 videos every 24 hours and get 12 coins for each video. Third is the PTC task or paid to click task where I get 22 coins just by viewing a site for 20 seconds and matching the CAPTCHA. And lastly, chatting with other users. You can earn from the rain pool depending on how much you spend chatting with other users. Just make sure to follow the chat rules. Once you reach 35,000 coin balance, you will receive 5% annual interest to be paid out weekly. You may also do surveys, play games, and do other tasks that are available in your country for you to earn something. You can see my current earnings here, the number of coins, dollar conversion, and in BTC. And also my previous activities and withdrawal. I spend 5 to 10 minutes on this app every day, but if you have a longer spare time to do tasks, you can definitely make something from this. If you are interested, you may just register on the link down below and download the app on Google Play. The app is not yet available on iOS, so just use the website. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Please take care. Bye!